What's up, guys? This one I thought deserved its own because it is so different. The pile driver. I'm not sure if this is a real car or something like it, but this is a really cool. Okay, so Daredevils, fearless stunt vehicles ready for stunting action. Interesting. So I'm going to say this is a real car. That's pretty wild, though. You got the massive engine, a little loose. Great wheels, something going on that. Roll bar, tailpipes. Kind of looks like a Camaro, like stretched. That's what I'm thinking, but it's center drive. That's what's interesting. Some kind of venting or something going on over there. I do not know. Very, very interesting car. Underneath is really sharp. Great wheels. This thing is pretty spectacular. Absolutely. That's pretty wild, guys. That deserves its own. Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.